Hello, I'm at the Medtronic stand. Come with me, see what's going on in here. Sylvia, can I interrupt? Hello.
Yes.
Can you tell us what is going on in here? It's very well attended.
Yes, exactly. This is a Medtronic Innovation Academy Lab. So it's, as you can see, 60 square meters dedicated to education. So if you look at the booth is smaller, that means that our commitment is really to facilitate the distribution of knowledge. So young surgeons can come here, can have access to simulators, like this one is a simulator for femoral cannulation, for example, or this one for mitral. They can do a wet lab, for example, they can implant a valve or a ring. So we have sessions coming, all the day.
Why are people so interested to come and get so hands-on?
Surgeons like to really touch, to have the possibility to put stitches, to cut. This is what they like. And young surgeons, sometimes they have not access to the patient, so this is a way for them to practice before accessing a real patient.
Now, we're on day one of the Congress as we're speaking right now. What sort of feedback have you had so far?
So far, they are all enthusiastic, and you see how many people we have in the room, so they're really looking for us.
And actually a queue outside as well. We pushed in.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
so thank you very much indeed.
You're
I hope
welcome.
the Congress goes well for you.
Yeah, I hope too. Thank you so much.
Well, we're now at the Artivion stand. I've been joined by Carl Will. Carl, what are the sorts of conversations you're having with visitors to the stand?
Yeah, we have a lot of conversations regarding clinical outcome, clinical data. We have game-changing technologies, especially our AMDS, and everybody's interested in. We are changing the paradigm of type A dissections, and everybody is looking forward to new clinical data.
What sort of vibe are you getting already? Because we're fairly early on in the exhibition. Too many exhibitions, it's like a desert. This is absolutely not. I mean, it's buzzing.
Yeah, you're very true. Look around. It's super busy already in the morning. Since the morning, also yesterday, Tech Forum, everybody is excited. I think after COVID now, this really is like everybody is enjoying the exchange and see each other again. Like, it's amazing. Like, everybody is super excited on everything what's going on.
Right. If people aren't familiar with Artivion, why should they come and have a chat with you?
Or because of our new products. So we have a lot of game-breaking technologies, like the AMDS, the frozen elephant trunk. We are the leader in aortic arch. So here, everybody's interested in this. There's super sick patients. We help them and give them new technologies. And this year, very new, we bring up very interesting clinical data, FDA trials. Everything is amazing.
All right. Carl Will, thank you very much indeed. It's been great talking to you. I hope the Congress and the exhibition goes really, really well for you and all of your colleagues here.
I'm very sure about this one. Thank you very much.
Great, okay.
Pleasure.
We're going to have a look at another stand. Well, this is a stand you can't really miss. Abbott are here at the exhibition. I've been joined by Ife Hunt. Hi, Ife. What's going on the Abbott stand this year?
Nice to meet you. Yes, so here at EACTS this year we have much to show. So we have our point of care partners here to bring their latest technology, but also on the structural heart side we have our transcatheter therapies, we have our MitraClip, our aortic valves, and you can't miss our latest, the Epic Plus and Epic Max. So these are our latest solutions for the surgical valve therapies, and they're pending CE mark at the end of this year. So it's a must-see to come check it out.
All right. I mean, there's a huge number of people in the exhibition. There's a lot of people here on the stand as well.
Yeah.
I mean, how pleased are you with the traffic here at the exhibition?
Honestly, it's been amazing. Ever since the pandemic, I was at EACTS, over the past few years, and just the amount of traffic, it's just overwhelmingly positive. To see the energy, the excitement from surgeons to come learn and inspire each other and network. So it's been a wonderful event so far.
So what are the sorts of things that people are asking you about? Okay, you have products and you have solutions, but what are the conversations you're getting from surgeons?
Yeah, very great question. So the conversations I've been having with physicians are, what can we be doing to partner, to really help them with patient care? And so not only today, right, but lifetime management seems to be a very popular topic. And so not only what can they have access to, right, to innovate, to improve their practice outcomes today, but I also have the pleasure of providing them an outlook perspective when I'm able to speak with physicians on what is Abbott bringing, right, to cardiac surgery to align with this need for the market for lifetime management.
All right, well, I hope the exhibition goes really, really well for you. It continues the way it is today.
Yeah.
Thank you very much indeed.
My pleasure. Take care.
I'm at the Arthrex stand and I've been joined by Stephen Rollins. Steve, what are you doing? What are you offering and what are the conversations you're having?
Yeah, first of all, Arthrex is excited to be here. This is the first time presenting at this Congress, and we're here today showing off our fiber tape sternal closure, which is an alternative to metal wires. So getting rid of metal wires to close the sternotomy, it's an exciting product. It's a product that we've introduced to orthopedics over 20 years ago. So it's been a very successful technology in orthopedics, and now we're bringing it to cardiothoracic surgery.
Why has it taken 20 years to do that?
Well, in orthopedics, we've introduced to orthopedics. We're using it throughout the body in orthopedics, and as a company, as we started to look and start working with surgeons, we started working with orthopedic surgeons in the United States, and realized that the product actually is perfect for cardiothoracic surgery and sternal closure.
So give us an example of sort of a use case.
Sure. Well, main use case is median sternotomy, right? So wherever a surgeon is using a metal wire or a metal cable to close the sternum, we're using the fiber tape sternal closure. It's a high strength suture, it's stronger than wire, it's broad, it's flat, so you get less of that bony cut through that you get with a metal wire, and then you don't have those sharp metal ends like you have on a metal wire. So, the patients don't feel the sharp knot stack like they do with the metal wire. It's safer for the staff. And then another thing is the surgeon, unlike with a metal wire, you twist, and then it can break, right? Well, with the fiber tape, you can dial in that tension with our tensioning device, and you don't have to worry about it breaking. You get that right amount of compression to get the sternum nice and tight and a perfect fixation.
Great to talk to you. Thank you very much indeed. I hope the exhibition is a real success for you, and welcome from Naples, Florida.
Yeah, well, thanks for having us here. We're excited to be here, and it's been some great interaction this morning with surgeons, great conversations. But for Arthrex, we're more than just about the fiber tape, actually, too. As an orthopedic company, we're also a leader in biologics. So we have a whole line of biologics and visualization products, too, that fit perfect in the cardiothoracic space.
All right, Steve, thank you very much indeed. I'm going to head off and look and visit another exhibition stand. So here I am at the TisGenX stand. Chris, can you tell us what sort of conversations are you having with visitors?
Right. So this is TisGenX. We are making a manufacturing bovine pericardial tissue patch, which is manufactured in California in the United States. We are both CE approved and as well as FDA approved. We are looking for the surgeons as well as distributors who want to use our products. This is mainly used for the cardiac, thoracic, vascular surgery, repair and reconstruction, okay? And then most of the surgeons and the distributors who want this product, want to use them in their hospitals in their countries,
How does it make their life easier and how does it improve patient outcomes?
So, see, our product is both used for the pediatric as well as for the adults. So a lot of the children are born with a congenital heart problem, There need to be a lot of VSD, ASD, aortic root construction, repair and reconstruction is required. And then the same thing with the adults too. The adolescent and adults, they need their heart. There's a problems in the valves, in the root, in the aorta and whatever. Our patches are used for all the repair and reconstruction. This is a very superior product. It's made with the bovine pericardium tissue. It's made with a technology called EACTS, which is nothing but preservation of the helical structures of the collagen molecule within the bovine cells, which kind of preserves the helical structure and make the tissue very strong, very pliable, and very good tensile strength, and it's very suitable for these users.
There's a huge number of people here at the exhibition. What's the profile of the visitors, and how well suited is it to you for conversations with them?
I think so far we're having a good visits. Most of them are like distributors and things of that nature. That's what we were looking for too. So we basically came to look for new market, new distributors, new countries to distribute, and then we are finding those new people, and so far we're good.
Right place, right time. Chris, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.